The title of Unit 3, Dive into Learning, Share the Treasure. The title of Unit 3, Dive into Learning, Share the Treasure. What is the meaning of dive into learning? Dive means deep into learning. What is the meaning of dive? Dive means deep into learning. Or we can say to start doing something suddenly and energetically. Understood? Dive into learning means deep into learning. Then what is the meaning of treasure? Treasure means valuable things. Valuable things means that things can be either jewels, a person, or place. Understood, everyone? Now in this units we are going to learn deep knowledge of the geometry. Right, everyone? What is the meaning of dive into learning? To start doing something suddenly and energetically. What is the meaning of treasure? The meaning of treasure is valuable things. Valuable means either the things can be either person or place or any jewels or golds, right? In this unit 3, there are 3 chapters are there. Chapter first is understanding of quadrilaterals. Chapter second, construction of quadrilaterals. And chapter 3, ratio and proportion. Yes. Sometime beta network issue will be there. Don't take tension, right? Yes. Chapter first, note down everyone, left side. Chapter 1, chapter 1, understanding of quadrilaterals. Understanding of quadrilaterals. Understanding of quadrilaterals. Chapter 2, chapter 2nd, construction of quadrilateral. Construction of quadrilateral. Construction of quadrilateral. Chapter 3, ratio and proportion. Chapter first is understanding of quadrilaterals. Chapter second, construction of quadrilaterals. And third chapter is ratio and proportion. Last chapter is very big chapter, students. Don't think only 3 chapters are there, but last chapter is very big chapter. In this, one more chapter is there, that is speed, distance, and time. Ratio and proportion. Spelling check it, students. Quadrilaterals. Now, keep heading. Chapter 1, understanding of quadrilaterals. Keep heading. Chapter 1, understanding of quadrilaterals. Chapter 1, understanding of quadrilaterals. Understanding of quadrilaterals. Last year also, students, we have learned this concept, quadrilateral concepts. This year also we are going to learn. Chapter 1, understanding of quadrilaterals. Firstly, what is the meaning of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is derived from two words, quad and lateral. Quad means four, lateral means side. A closed figure bounded by four line segment is called quadrilateral. Understood? What is the meaning of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is derived from two words, quad and lateral. Quad means four, lateral means side. If any figure is bounded by four line segment, that is called quadrilateral. Keep heading left side, quadrilateral. A closed figure bounded by a closed figure bounded by a closed figure bounded by four line segment, bounded by four line segments, bounded by four line segment is called bounded by four line segment is called a quadrilateral. Paragraph change. The word quad means four. The word quad means four, and the word lateral means sides. And the word lateral means sides. Those who have not purchase geometry box students, because without geometry box in this chapter we can't do anything. Yes, draw this figure, everyone. Always figure, when you are drawing, students, use always pencil, not pen. A, B, C, D. Yeah. Keep heading. Types of quadrilateral on the basis of diagonals. In this figure, students, you are observing, this is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has how many sides? Four sides, four angles, four vertices, and how many diagonals are there? There are two diagonals. Issue is there. Anyone who will tell me what is the meaning of diagonal? One word I am using here, diagonal. What is the meaning of diagonal? Suppose this is vertex A and this is vertex C. If one vertex is opposite to C, A is opposite to C, when we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. When we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonals, right? Now keep heading. Types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilaterals on the basis of diagonals. Types of quadrilaterals on the basis of diagonal. There are two types of quadrilateral. There are two types of quadrilateral. On the basis of diagonal. First is convex quadrilateral. Second is concave quadrilateral. First is convex quadrilateral and second is concave quadrilateral. Tell me Hruday. Keep heading first. Convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. In convex quadrilateral, in convex quadrilateral, in convex quadrilateral, in convex quadrilateral, the diagonals intersect in the interior region. The diagonal, the diagonal, the diagonal intersects, the diagonals intersect, the diagonals intersect in the interior region. What is the meaning of interior region? Means each and every diagonal will lie inside to the figure that is called convex quadrilateral. Any diagonals I want to draw, all diagonals will lie inside to the figure that is called convex quadrilateral. That is called convex quadrilateral. Yes. In convex quadrilateral, the diagonals intersects in the interior region. Next paragraph change. A quadrilateral whose interior angles, a quadrilateral, this point is very important point. A quadrilateral whose interior angles measures less than 180 degree. Measures less than 180 degree is called a convex quadrilateral. In convex quadrilateral, the diagonal intersects in the interior region. I'm trying this figure, don't worry. Suppose I am drawing one figure here. Students, concentrate here. Observe here, everyone. Suppose I have drawn this figure. You are observing, students. Diagonal will lie inside or outside. Diagonal will lie inside or outside. Inside. That is called convex quadrilateral. That is called convex quadrilateral. You are observing here. Diagonal is lying inside, not outside. Understood? Next. In second figure also, students, or you are observing diagonals is lying inside. Understood? This both figure are called convex quadrilateral. If diagonal is lying inside, that is called convex quadrilateral. What is concave quadrilateral? If at least one diagonal will lie outside, that is called concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral is looking like mouth of cave. It is looking like mouth of cave. Suppose I am trying one figure like that. It is looking like mouth of cave. This is called concave quadrilateral. Don't draw this figure. I will give proper definition, everything. One diagonal is lying inside, but second diagonal is lying outside. That is called concave quadrilateral. First draw this figure both. Next, second, keep heading. Second, concave quadrilateral. In concave quadrilateral, one of the diagonal in concave quadrilateral in concave quadrilateral in concave quadrilateral one of diagonal in concave quadrilateral one of diagonal is in exterior region is in exterior region means at least one diagonal will lie inside. If any other diagonal is lying outside, that is called concave quadrilateral. In concave quadrilateral, one of the diagonal is in exterior region. Paragraph change. Concave quadrilaterals are those. Paragraph change. Concave quadrilaterals. Concave quadrilaterals are those